Hello. Good morning to everyone. Myself Ganesh Babu and my teammates are Reshma and Raviteja. Today we are giving presentation on Dodge game. Coming to our presentation, the contents are introduction, overall product description, system features and rules, types of requirements, models. Coming to introduction, this is a simple game which we used to play in our childhood. Like we should reach just goal from start position by avoiding obstacles. In our childhood, maybe in our parents' phone, like mobile phone, we have played these type of games. We have to start from one side and we have to reach the other side, as like the goal position, without touching any obstacles. If we touch any obstacles, we have to start the game again. In this manner, it goes on. And next about our project scope. The software used for this project is JavaScript, and here it was coded on show.code.org platform. The benefit of using JavaScript or other languages is the ease of using and it reduces time. And GUI user interface will make the user to understand easy and gives a brief clarity regarding the game. Why only JavaScript is because of its ease of using. That's why we are choosing this one here. And next up, next one is overall product description. It gives it about all our product perspective and like the product features. The game is going to contain the following functions like start game, display, instructions to play the game, and end the game. In start game, this game starts by clicking the link which is being provided. It takes a split second to open the game and it's coming to display. This game displays two barriers where it has two states, start and goal. The game has many obstacles where the user have to escape from them. It will show you win if the user finishes the game by crossing all the obstacles. And coming to instructions is the user moves in one direction, then it moves in the same way till the direction is changed. After it reaches the end of barrier 1, then the user should move towards right to change the barrier. If at all the user hits the obstacles, death counter gets increased by 1 and displays the total number of deaths by the user. When playing the game, the user can move in 4 directions like up, down, left, right. After the user starts moving in the way, middle few obstacles come in the picture, like disturbing the user. And it's in splits of seconds. Within seconds they will come you. And when coming, and by to end the game, we need to close the tab. Then your game is going to finish. From here onwards, my friends, like my teammates, will continue regarding the presentation. And thank you.
I'm going to explain about a Dodge game and its system features. And there are the five features in it. The first one is start the game. In this state, the game will start when the link is clicked, when the obstacles begins to move continuously, and the user is ready to play, and it moves in the desired directions to escape from the obstacles. The second one is display. This shows how the game looks like. The user plays the game by seeing the display. The third one is win the game. This is where it displays that you win in the goal state. The player should escape from all the obstacles to win the game. The fourth one is how to win the game. This is where it shows that you won the game and the game will stop when you reach the goal state. The fourth one is quit the game. This is when the user wants to exit the game. The human must close the tab. And the rules. There are the three main rules in it. The first one is user can move in the 4 directions, and the second one is obstacles, avoid the obstacles, and the third one is change the directions when you reach the van. Then the first one, the user can move in the 4 directions. So that means the user can move in which he wants to move in all the desired directions to escape from the obstacles. And the second one, he has to be escape from the obstacles because when the obstacle touches the user should start from the starting point to reach the goal. And the third one, change the directions when you reach the one end. That means when you start at the left side of the start point, you have to come to the down all the way down to escape from all the obstacles, and you have to go to the other side of the goal point, and you have to go to the top to the goal to reach it. And the third one is nothing but user interface. The user interface is nothing but it was when GUI. The GUI will be designed by using the studio.co.org platform and in the JavaScript, providing easily understandable interface between the users and the application. The characteristics will have the two barriers where the user needs to start from the starting state and to reach the state by crossing all the obstacles. Meanwhile, the different shapes of obstacles are moving with the barriers and interrupting the user. When you reach the goal, you win is being displayed. There is a death counter which shows the total number of deaths by the user. The following GUI protocol model version give you the brief idea on what direction things are taking place in our game. Thanking you.
Non-functional requirements. Firstly, performance requirements. The performance is based on the hardware and the software interfaces. The number of deaths are recorded in the program, which has been displayed as death count. Safety requirements. As of now, there is no communication interface in our game, so that it is safety for the information of the user, and they should spend less time on game for their health issues. Security requirements. Outsiders who doesn't have link cannot play this game. Software quality attributes. The overall availability, executability is fast so that there is no lag behind any process, so it is very good and user friendly too. The other requirements like having a basic knowledge regarding English and understanding the way how to run the game. Software requirements. The language which is used to develop our program is JavaScript. We have developed on studio.co.org platform, where we can write code in JavaScript and see a preview beside it that how our game runs. Use case diagrams. The user clicks the link, the game displays, directions or controls are checked by the user to know the flow of the game, and he starts the game from the start position and it moves all the 4 directions. When it reaches to the end of one barrier, barrier exchange should be done, and if at all any obstacles are hidden by the user, then it goes to start state, or else it reaches to the reach goal. If you reach the goal, it will display you win. Activity diagram 2 states how the game is done in a flowchart format. Thank you.